Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to remove private browsing on iPhone. Why would you want to know how to remove private browsing on an iPhone? Well, maybe it is your first time using an iPhone and not sure how to remove private browsing on an iPhone. So today I am going to show you how to remove private browsing on iPhone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Removing private browsing on iPhone is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all iOS devices. Let me show how you will remove private browsing on iPhone. First of all, open Safari app in your iPhone, and now here is my Safari app home screen. And then first of all, tap and hold two overlapping boxes that appear in the bottom right corner of your screen. And now in this pop-up menu, click on tabs. And now private browsing mode has been disabled in your Safari browser. So there you go. If you were wondering how to remove private browsing mode on Safari, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.